Okay, welcome. How to create vertical video for YouTube Shorts, or also you can use it for TikTok, right? So we are seeing here in right side, right, the vertical black section, right? So at first I'll show you the sequence setting here. Sequence settings, you can see here frame size is 1080 and for vertical is 1920, that is 9:16, right? So at first go to file, click new, click sequence, and you will get this screen, right? Now go to settings here, then go to editing mode, click this one and place it custom, right? So in horizontal place 1080, in vertical press 1920, right? Now let's see what happens. Do okay. Now you are seeing here the previous one was like this, right, and the new one is like this, right? So we have to change something here. Go to sequence setting, and you can see here pixel aspect ratio. Click that and set it to square pixels, right, and do okay. Now it is fine, right? So when you do from start, the same thing, go to new and go to sequence, then settings, and then custom, and place 1080, 1920. Now from here same screen you can do square pixels, right? Someone forgets to do this, then there that format, that section becomes different. Do okay. Now you get new one. Now for this video, if you want to create shorts or YouTube or TikTok video, just if you want audio and video both, then drag it here in timeline and do keep existing setting, right? You will get this one, and then double click here and just zoom it right in this way. This way you can create vertical video for YouTube Shorts or TikTok or any other platform, right? So you can try it out. In any confusion, comment below. Thank you very much.